Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today we are back with this boxer braid style where we added a little Dutch braid by the side. For this style, just split the hair in the middle. The side that we do not need I put into a low ponytail, and then I make a horizontal line from over the eyebrow until the middle parting. Tie the hair away that you do not need, put it by the side, and make a parallel line, more or less 2 fingers wide, to the first parting that you did. Then I'm adding some gel with a toothbrush, because like this I have it easier to apply it right there where I need it. And then I start braiding. So for this I take a diagonal section, a thin one, and I split it into 3 more or less equal strands. I bring the right under, left under, right under. I do 2 stitches before I start to add in small portions of hair from down and up. Like this, the braid is going to be in the middle of our parted section. And we do actually a regular Dutch braid, just a small version of it. Keep on braiding, and you see now I'm holding my palms up. As long as I have smaller sections, this is easier for me to bring the hair from the top in between of my thumb and my index finger. But then when the strands are thicker, I like to change the position of my hands, and I braid with palms down like you see it here, and I'm grabbing the hair from the top. It's just that I have more force, more strength in my whole hand than only in the fingers. Then when I braid the regular Dutch braid without adding in hair, I turn my hands again. I'm doing this braid just long enough to incorporate it later into the big Dutch braid. Therefore I'm applying again around the edges some hair gel, and I use leave-in conditioner. This makes the hair smooth, gives me grip for braiding, and very important for me is always to comb everything through so that I have product equally. This is a parallel line to the front, and I split again this portion into 3 equal strands. I start from the middle parting, bring it under the middle, then left under, and I also did 2 stitches here before I add in some hair. If you want it quite neat, then comb the strand through before you add in. This always depends. Sometimes the hair falls naturally in this position and then you do not have to comb, and sometimes, especially when there's product inside, it is better to lift the hair into the direction that you want it to go with the comb. Keep on braiding. This is the top part that we section off, and then when you reach the height of the horizontal braid, you just add it into the strand. Then release the portion of hair that is underneath the braid, the small braid. Use some product to make sure that flyaways stay inside of the braid, and keep on braiding. We are always adding in the hair after we brought the strand under the middle strand. For me, this makes a neater result. When you reach the neck, make sure that you pull a bit upwards the new strands that you are incorporating. Like this, they won't loosen up. And then I'm just braiding until the end. And there, when you're done, you can use a clear elastic, or if you have a smaller child, younger child, then use some bows. This really makes the style look very cute, and this depends on everyone and everyone's taste how you want to decorate your hairstyle. We like it simple, so we just use clear elastic. I'm doing exactly the same thing now on the right hand side. So take a portion of hair, split it into 3 equal strands. I start from the middle parting, going under the middle, and then I'm starting to add in hair after I did the first stitch. So here the same. If you think you have to comb it through to have it neater, when it goes upwards, then comb through and make sure that you keep your hands quite close to the scalp so that the braid won't loosen up. Same thing, bring first under the right strand under the middle and then add in some hair, and when you are here in the neck, make sure that you lift up the strands. Braid until the very end, close everything with a clear elastic, and this is our final result. 2 boxer braids with a horizontal little Dutch braid by the side. You can do, of course, the little one on both sides, is just like you wish. If you're new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and I hope to see you very back soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.